Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A stable trade wind pattern has pretty much locked in for the week, so expect mild cloudy weather with the odd passing shower, a bit rough on the open water, increasing fire danger inland and a slow but steady warming and drying trend through the weekend. Temperatures today were nothing too earth-shattering as you'd expect in a southeasterly. Bundaberg had a range of 20 to 30 degrees after 23 millimetres of overnight rainfall. Harvey Bay also got to 30. On the satellite loop, your typical monsoonal cloud covering northern Australia, and that includes North Queensland, and that of course is merging with the southeasterly cloud that's come straight off the Coral Sea, bringing the showers that we're seeing, and they're present right up and down the coast, but obviously it's augmented by that thicker middle level cloud once we get to the tropical half of Queensland. There's also another bit of frontal cloud there over the North New South Wales coast. Today's chart, standard southeasterly trade wind pattern. It's very much like what you'd expect in mid-autumn. Nice big high there, just crossing under Tasmania. Nice firm pressure pattern, so isobars are close together and winds are getting quite fresh along the coast, and they're extending all the way up to Cape York Peninsula. Tomorrow's chart, the winds could get strong enough for us to issue a warning for Central and the Capricorn waters. In fact, the warning has already been issued, and the remaining waters will still be quite fresh, up to 25 knots, and of course there'll be showers with that. And then on the outlook chart, the bulk of the shower activity will remain in the tropical north under the influence of the monsoon trough nearby, but there'll still be some showers continuing in the southeast. Now, the latest from the BOM, the boating forecast for Harvey Bay waters, southeast winds up to 25 knots at times tomorrow, seas to 2 metres. Friday's winds the same, between 15 and 25 knots, and dropping back to 15 to 20 for Saturday. Gari offshore, much the same. 25 knots max tomorrow from the southeast, and there's a 2-metre easterly swell. Friday's winds are steady southeast 20 to 25 knots, just a bit short of warning strength, dropping slightly for Saturday. The tidal range can't possibly get any wider after one of the biggest tides of the year, so I guess it'll have to get narrower pretty soon. It's a daytime peak, so you won't miss it. Wide Bay Burnett District, showers tomorrow with possible thunderstorms. Bundaberg 20 up to 28 degrees. Gympie 27, very mild. Harvey Bay and Maryborough also 27. Looking ahead for Bundaberg, showers will continue threatening until the end of this week, along with fresh breezes, and this should follow into a mostly dry and slightly warmer weekend. Tonight's photo was brought to you by Dave from Coolum Beach. I don't have details about when it was taken, but naturally it jumps the queue simply by not being a sunrise or sunset photo, also because good storm pics aren't easy to take. Thanks, Dave, and thank you all. Catch you soon, and now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much for your company, folks. Don't forget, anything you'd like to watch again, our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. We'll catch you tomorrow night. Take care. Good night.